Hey guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. In this video, I want to talk to you about HOTJAR and how to integrate with Shopify. Welcome to Rock Paper Copy, best place for Shopify store owners to learn about SEO, getting traffic and sales. So HOTJAR is a great tool for tracking your visitors, how they behave on your website, where they click, which elements do they look at on your website, which can help you catch and fix any errors that might be affecting your conversion rate. And it helped my website and my clients' sites boost their conversion rate by over 2% and recover any lost sales. So in this step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to integrate HOTJAR with your Shopify store. Let's get started. First of all, you will have to create a new account on hotjar.com. I won't be going through that in that video, but simply I will show you where to find a code that you will put in your Shopify store. So go to HOTJAR and sign in. And next, pick the organization. In your dashboard, under Settings, click on Sites and Organizations. Next, select your organization and click Tracking Code. This is the code you need to put in your Shopify store. Simply copy it and it's ready to use. Once you've got the code copied to your clipboard, it's time to paste it in your Shopify. Go back to your Shopify store and under Online Store Themes, click on Actions and Edit Code. Now you have to paste this code into your theme liquid. As you can see, into the head section, so anywhere between the opening and closing head tag, and usually it's safest to paste it just above the closing head tag, so I will search for that. Command F, search for closing head tag here. And basically, you just have to make a new break and paste this code. As you can see, it's already been pasted in this particular website. However, once you do it, simply click Save. I will remove it for now, obviously. And this is how you integrate HOTJAR with your Shopify store. If you love this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular Shopify and SEO tips. Now check those two videos recommended for you here to watch next to learn about running a successful online business, driving free traffic and sales. I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye!